Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, stability control, tire pressure monitor, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.